How to remove junk files in Windows 11. This will help free up spaces and improve your computer performances. So inside the search bar, you can simply search for settings and then open it up. After that, you want to simply scroll down. After that, you want to make sure you are inside system. Scroll below, tap on storage and make sure storage census is turned on. Then click on Cleanup Recommendation and here you will be able to find all the unnecessary junk files on your PC. You can simply select the file you want to delete. In most cases, it's safe to check all boxes, but be careful with the downloads folder. After that, you can simply tap on Cleanup and just like that, wait for it to complete. Now for the next method, you can simply search for Dex Cleanup, then open it up. After that, select the available file type and then on the right hand side, you will be able to find how much space you can free up. You can simply press an OK and then select Delete Files. That's it, your junk folder or files are now removed. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.